Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to make Nabeez drink. Okay, let's start. Bismillah. We need dates. Maybe 3, 5, 7, 9 odd numbers. Plain water. And we also need a bottle. Have you tried making Nabeez drink before? If you haven't, it's okay because I'll guide you through the way. Okay, don't forget to put the seeds also, okay, because we need the seed, but you don't drink the seed later. You'll get sick. Okay, you can consume this drink during suhur because it gives you energy throughout the day when you are fasting. Oh, by the way, are you fasting? I hope you are. Now let's pour in some water. I'm sorry, I spilled some water. Close the cap. Okay, it's done. So we can put inside the fridge for 6 to 12 hours. After 12 hours, you need to consume straight away, yeah? You don't want to leave it too long. Ta-da! It's done! Prophet Muhammad's favorite drink, Nabeez drink, is done. Alright, let's try some. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Yummy. Alhamdulillah. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to try it, okay? Bye-bye, Alimkids. Assalamualaikum.